Struggling with rising material costs, unreliable suppliers, and delays on every build? What if your block factory could go wherever your project does? Hydraform, building technology invented in 1988, has been used in thousands of projects across Africa and beyond, and this machine changed everything. Meet the M7MI Super, our most popular mobile block making system for medium to large projects. It's a complete factory on wheels, eliminating the cost of transporting heavy completed bricks to site entirely. Make as much as you need where you need it. Up to 2,400 blocks per 9-hour shift, enough for 12 to 15 50 square meter houses per month. Add semi-automation and hit 3,000 blocks a day. Using laterite soil plus 10% cement plus water, compressed into interlocking blocks, no mortar joints, faster building, less cost. 12-month warranty, after-sales and trading support services. Proven durability, used on projects from housing to disaster relief to government and NGO programs. From remote villages to major development projects, the M7MI Super has helped build homes, clinics, and schools across the continent. So please give this video a like and consider subscribing, or you can share this with someone you think may be interested in building the Hydraform way. Let us help you build faster, cheaper, and on-site. Visit hydraform.com or contact us to get your machine quotes today.